Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Young Researchers. In today's video, we will discuss about how you can add DOI of a paper in EndNote reference. For example, in some cases when you import reference from Google Scholar to EndNote, we have previously discussed in our videos that how to you can import reference from Google Scholar to EndNote. So in some cases the DOI is not added automatically to reference. For example, this reference, when I click on this, I can see its summary here like title, author list, journal, volume, issue, and DOI, and its URL as well. So if anytime you face a difficulty that DOI is not automatically added to the paper that you import into EndNote, then how can you add that DOI in EndNote reference? So let's start. For example, if I copy paste this title of paper and I want to add the DOI of paper in my EndNote reference, then I simply go to Google and type the copy paste the title of paper. For example, this is the paper and I want to copy its DOI. So I will just go here and I will copy this DOI and come back to EndNote, and here you can see an option of edit. When you click on any reference, you can see this side information as well. When you click on edit, you can scroll down from here, and here you can see an option of DOI. So here you can copy paste the DOI that you have just copied from Google. So if it is not already added, in some cases due to some slow network issues or due to some problems in your EndNote that you need to fix it, DOI is missing in complete reference. So you can add it manually by just copy pasting the DOI from the Google, and then you can go to a reference and then edit, and here you can add DOI. In the same way, if any of the information, for example, if volume is missing, if issue is missing in in the complete information of the reference or a paper, page numbers are missing, you can add it manually as well. And if you want to add its URL, you can just go to Google and copy this URL, and after copy you can just simply paste here. And if you want to attach that PDF for your reference for future, then you can attach it from by browsing from your PC if you have downloaded that PDF. So this is the simple way that you can add DOI to the paper. Now the next question is how you can add that DOI in paper. For example, if I am going to write add reference here, so I will go to EndNote and then I will click on cite. So the selected reference will be cited as this one, but here again the problem is DOI is not added automatically to the reference that I imported into the Word file. Here you can see only the author list, title, and then journal name and year, volume, issue, and then page range. So we have already discussed about how you can format the references according to any journal style. I will provide the link in the description as well, so you can check that video. So for complete formatting and updating of your references style according to the author guideline of any journal, you can check that video. We have provided each and every information in previous video. However, in for now the main focus is how you can add DOI to this reference that you added in your paper. So for this you have to first check which reference style are you following. For example, I am using numbered style here. Okay, so I will go to EndNote, and then here you can see an option of tools. From tool you can go to output style, and then you can click on edit number. If you are unable to see the reference style here, then you need to open style manager. Okay, so when you click on open style manager, you just need to click. For example, if I am using that reference and I can't see the option of edit this reference style, then I will just tick this reference and then it close it. Again I have to go to tools, then output style, and then I can click on this one, and after clicking on this one I will go again to tools, output style, and then I can see the option of edit advanced skin bound care. But it's just to show you that if you are unable to see an edit option of your selected output style, how you can show that style in the option of editing. Okay, so since we have already mark the number style in that dialog box. So I will just click on edit number. So when I click on edit number, this new browser will open, and here I have to go to, like, I can see the different styles here. And okay, so I will go to this bibliography and then templates. For example, if I am going to write the journal article, then I will click here, I will edit this, and then I will click on insert field. From insert field I have to select DOI. It means when I insert field here, DOI will automatically be added to my Word document when I update the reference. And then if you want to end the DOI with some full stop, you need to type full stop here. Okay, so this is for journal article, and some other for example, for any other electronic article, it is already mentioned here like DOI. So I will just need to click on here. After that you can go to file, and then you can save this like changes in the form of numbered copy. Okay, I will select numbered copy, and then I will, okay, it is already exist, so I will select here number DOI. Okay, you can name it any according to your choice. So I will click numbered DOI, and then I will click on save. Okay, so now I have to close this output browser of EndNote, and then I will go again to tools, output style, and then I will click on open style manager, because I have to mark the numbered DOI so that it will appear on my Word document. For example, if I go to Word document and then I need to select numbered DOI, then you can see numbered DOI is not showing there, it is showing numbered and numbered copy. So for numbered DOI to appear in my this reference style, I have to tick from EndNote. So I will go to EndNote, and from here I will go press N, and then I can see the numbered DOI here. Okay, so this is the numbered DOI. I will scroll it down somewhere. Okay, so this is numbered DOI. I will just tick on this. You just need to tick, and then you can close this one. Okay, so after that, when you go from here, you can see on Word document the option of numbered DOI. You just need to click this numbered DOI. Here you can see the DOI is automatically be added to your Word document. Okay, so this is all about how you can add DOI. Okay, someone ask question here, like this DOI is not appeared as a link in the form of link, like when you add some DOI. Let me show you. For example, if I click here, it is automatically be opened, and it appears as a link. So for some journals that are you can say like well reputed journals like Elsewhere and Scope ACS Springer, for those when they provide DOI in the form of HTTP, like if I search some other I will show you some other journal like okay, if I click let me show you how you can add DOI in the form of link. So here you can see I have opened this paper, and I will copy the title of this paper. Go to Google, paste the title, and then we will open this journal paper, and here you can see like this DOI appears or start from HTTP like full link, while this DOI it appears in the form of only number, not in the form of HTTP. So both are correct, there is nothing to worry about. Some journals, they like their format is to provide DOI in this form, and some journals have their format to provide in DOI with full link and number as well. So I will click on this, and I will go to EndNote, and I will add DOI. For example, its DOI is missing, so I will copy paste DOI here, and then I will go to file and will click on save. Okay, so after that I will click on this reference, and I try to add my Word document. So I will click on cite reference. So here you can see this DOI is appeared as in the form of a link. So it depends upon that in which format or in which link the journal they provided the DOI of their published paper. So there is nothing to worry. This DOI is also okay and this is also okay. It depends upon the journal style in which that paper is published. So this is all about today's video, how you can add DOI of your paper in EndNote references. For example, in previous one, the DOI was missing for the first reference, and for the last one, here we added the DOI automatically, and then you need to go to the reference output style, and you can edit that reference and and then you need to update the citations as well. So you need to make sure that instant formatting must be on. If it is off, then the reference will not be updated. Okay, we have already made a video on that topic too, that how you can make the instant formatting on. If you have not checked, we will provide the link in description. Okay, so this is all about adding DOI. If you need to format the references thoroughly A to Z from according to the journal guidelines, then you can see the video link provided in the description. Thank you very much for all your attention. Stay blessed. In coming videos we will discuss some more interesting topics about the research and about the reference style as well. Thank you very much. Till then, Allah Hafiz.